Hello, and welcome to Lesson 3. Today, you'll learn how to speak English naturally at a coffee shop. These simple conversations will help you order drinks with confidence. People visit coffee shops every day. In this lesson, you'll learn simple English sentences that you can use with confidence in real conversations. In a coffee shop, you'll often hear words like coffee, latte, cappuccino, menu, and takeaway. Don't worry. You'll learn how to use each one naturally. In a coffee shop, people often ask, for here or to go? For here means you will enjoy your drink inside the coffee shop. To go means you will take your drink with you. When you order a drink, you may hear three common sizes: small, medium, and large. Listen carefully, because you'll hear these words in almost every coffee shop. One of the most common questions is, what would you like to drink? This is a polite way to ask someone what they want to order. A natural reply is, I'd like a cappuccino, please. This is a polite and friendly way to order your drink at a coffee shop. You can also say, can I have a medium latte, please? This is another polite and natural way to order a drink at a coffee shop. After you order your drink, the barista may ask, would you like anything else? This means they are asking if you want to order more. A polite reply is, no, thank you. That's all. You can use this sentence when you don't want to order anything else. Now, let's begin our coffee shop conversation. Customer, good morning. Barista, good morning. Welcome. What would you like to drink today? I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. Certainly. Would you like it for here or to go? Customer, for here, please. Barista, great choice. Your cappuccino will be ready in just a few minutes. Please have a seat and we'll bring it to your table. Would you like anything to eat with your coffee? Yes, please. I'd like a chocolate muffin as well. Excellent choice. Barista, your total is $8.50. Would you like to pay by cash or by card? Customer, I'll pay by card, thank you. Customer, here is my card. Barista, thank you. Your payment is complete. Please keep your receipt. We'll prepare your order right away. Your cappuccino and chocolate muffin are ready. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much. Everything looks wonderful, so I really appreciate it. Customer, this cappuccino tastes amazing. The muffin is fresh and delicious. Barista, thank you very much. We're happy you enjoyed everything. Customer, excuse me, could you tell me the Wi-Fi password, please? Barista, of course. The password is coffee2026. Enjoy your time here. Thank you for your excellent service. Everything was perfect today. You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you again soon. Excellent job. You have just listened to a complete coffee shop conversation. Now, let's review it step by step to understand every sentence clearly and confidently. The conversation begins with, good morning. This is a polite and friendly greeting. Then the barista asks, what would you like to drink today? To help the customer place an order. The customer replies, I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. This is a polite and natural way to order a drink. Adding please makes your English sound more friendly and respectful. The customer replies, I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. This is a polite and natural way to order a drink. Adding please makes your English sound more friendly and respectful. The barista asks, would you like it for here or to go? For here means you will enjoy your drink inside the coffee shop. To go means you will take it with you. The customer replies, for here, please. This short sentence is crisp and easy to remember. It tells the barista that you want to enjoy your drink inside the coffee shop. The customer says, I'd like a chocolate muffin as well. The words as well mean also. You use them when you want to add another item to your order in a polite and natural way. The customer says, I'd like a chocolate muffin as well. The words as well simply mean also. This is a natural and polite way to add another item to your order. The barista says, your total is $8.50. This sentence tells the customer the final price. You will hear this expression in many coffee shops and restaurants. The barista asks, "Would you like to pay by cash or by card?" This is a common question before payment. You can answer, "By cash, please," or "By card, please." The customer replies, "I'll pay by card, thank you." This is a polite and confident way to choose your payment method. The words "thank you" make your response sound more friendly. The barista says, "Your payment is complete. Please keep your receipt." This means your payment was successful. Keep your receipt in case you need it later. The barista says, "Your cappuccino and chocolate muffin are ready." This sentence tells the customer that the order is finished and ready to enjoy. You will hear this expression in many cafes. The barista says, "Enjoy your meal." This is a warm and polite expression. People use it when someone is about to eat or drink. It means, "I hope you enjoy your food." The customer says, "Thank you very much. Everything looks wonderful." This is a kind and positive way to thank someone and show that you are happy with the food and service. The customer says, "This cappuccino tastes amazing." You can use this sentence to compliment a drink or food. It is a natural and friendly way to say that you really like it. The customer says, "The muffin is fresh and delicious." This is a simple and natural way to compliment food. Native English speakers often use these words when they really enjoy a meal. The customer asks, "Excuse me, could you tell me the Wi-Fi password, please?" This is a very polite way to ask for information. Native English speakers use this expression in many everyday situations. The barista replies, "Of course." The password is Coffee 2026. Of course is a friendly and polite way to say yes before giving helpful information. The customer says, "Thank you for your excellent service. Everything was perfect today." This is a warm and respectful way to thank someone for great service and a pleasant experience. The barista replies, "You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you again soon." This is a warm and professional way to end a conversation with a customer. Excellent work. You have reviewed the complete coffee shop conversation. Now it's time to improve your speaking skills. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence, and speak with confidence. Repeat after me. Good morning. Now, say it again. Good morning. Excellent. Let's continue. Repeat after me. What would you like to drink today? Now, say it again. What would you like to drink today? Great job. Let's continue. Repeat after me. I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. Now, say it again. I'd like a medium cappuccino, please. Excellent. Keep going. Repeat after me. Would you like it for here or to go? Now, say it again. Would you like it for here or to go? Excellent. Keep practicing. Repeat after me. For here, please. Say it again. For here, please. Very good. Repeat after me. I'd like a chocolate muffin as well. Say it again. I'd like a chocolate muffin as well. Very good. Repeat after me. Your total is $8.50. Say it again. Your total is $8.50. Very good. Repeat after me. Would you like to pay by cash or by card? Say it again. Would you like to pay by cash or by card? Very good. Repeat after me. I'll pay by card, thank you. Say it again. I'll pay by card, thank you. Very good. Repeat after me. Your payment is complete. Please keep your receipt. Say it again. Your payment is complete. Please keep your receipt. Very good. Excellent work today. You have completed lesson 3. Keep practicing these sentences every day, and your English will become more natural and confident. Keep practicing English every day, and you will become more confident and fluent. Thank you for learning with Natural English Studio. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.